Hi guys, welcome to BAi TV. I'm your embroidery assistant Alan. Today, I will show you how to add a new hoop parameter on your BAi embroidery machine. If your BAi machine is equipped with Institch i5 control system, you can follow the same step to set it up. A hoop's parameter mainly includes the following parts: the center point coordinates x, y, the hoop size in the x and y directions, the corner radius r. In this tutorial, we will take the mounting hoop as an example. To make sure your parameters are accurate, first select an existing hoop on the screen. Then let the machine automatically find its origin. Next, let's find the center point of the new hoop and measure its actual size. After installing the new hoop, fix a piece of stabilizer on it. Use a ruler to try to diagonalize across the hoop. The intersection is the center point. Here's an important note: to prevent the pressed fruit from hitting the hoop during embroidering, we need to leave about 1 inch, that is 25 mm, as a safety margin. So when recording your measurements, subtract 1 inch from both the X and Y lengths. Install the embroidering hoop and select number 1 needle. Use the arrow keys to move the needle to the marked center point. Press the trimming key to drop the needle and check if it's positioned accurately. You will see the current PX and PY values displayed on the screen. Make sure to record them. Next, open the hoop parameter setting interface. Enter the PX and PY values you just recorded, along with the X and Y dimensions of the hoop. The last value is the corner radius R. Most hoops share the same radius, so you can simply enter 25. Once you have completed these steps, your new hoop parameter is successfully set. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any question, feel free to leave a comment below. I will be happy to help.